Well, if you want a blossoming career in the health industry, we've got you covered. Tomorrow, there is an awesome opportunity. It's the Healthcare District of Palm Beach County's Spring Career Fair. Here to tell us more about the fair is Roshan Rajan and Dr. Courtney Phillips there. Thank you both for being with us. I know that these jobs you're really looking to fill, and it's not as easy to find people in the healthcare business. So tell us about this fair that's happening.
Absolutely. First of all, I would like to take a moment to thank Channel 25 for promoting us the last time we had a career fair a couple of months ago.
Yeah, how'd it go?
It was a huge success.
Oh, awesome.
And we had a handful of hires from that event. So thanks again for inviting us to talk about our upcoming spring career fair taking place tomorrow, Thursday, April 25th from 9 a.m. to noon. We are looking to hire for positions throughout our different areas in our organization, and we welcome everybody, whether you're a current job seeker or non-job seeker. Come visit us, learn more about what we do in this organization and how it is impacting to the success of the community.
Dr. Phillips, tell us a little bit about, I know more than 50 positions available, and a lot of times you think about in the healthcare industry, doctors, nurses, whoa, whoa, whoa. There are so many other careers that you can pursue within the healthcare industry.
Yes, so this is a really exciting time. I'm an addiction psychiatrist. I've been with the Healthcare District since 2017, and I just want to say most people have worked there 10, 20, 30 years because it's a great place to work. But we're doing a very important initiative for the community in Palm Beach County where we're expanding our behavioral health, substance use, and child psychiatry services at this time. So there's going to be over 50 positions for physicians, as you said, in the psychiatric practice, physician assistants, nurse practitioners, nurses, behavioral health techs, and peers. And we're looking for people who are looking for an innovative space. We want to do behavioral health care according to national guidelines, but we want to do it differently so that we can hopefully increase access for all. Because at the end of the day, our mission is to provide health care and psychiatric and substance use care for all. We already have lots of services that we've been running for a long time, but we're going to expand on that to meet the mental health and substance use crisis needs. So we're really hoping people apply.
Are these positions all over Palm Beach County?
So most of them are going to be housed right now in our Mangonia Park location, which is in West Palm Beach, but we also have positions in Delray and Atlantis. But it's a very innovative team. We're going to be working with Palm Beach Sheriff's Office and West Palm Beach Police. So we're very excited about those initiatives to work with our community partners as well as many other community partners who provide amazing services. So if you want to be part of an innovative team and make a difference, please apply because the program is as good as the people working in it.
You know, we say all the time that physicians in healthcare, it's recession proof because we're always going to need people like you who can serve our community. What are some event highlights? What can people expect if they go?
In addition to the job fair itself, we do have a resume review workshop. It is actually from 9:30 a.m. to noon. The last events also we had the resume review and candidates were very happy to have that. So we are doing it again throughout the time from 9:30 to noon. So whether you're looking for an opportunity with us or somebody else, we still encourage you to come get your resume reviewed with us so you get an opportunity with us or somebody else.
That's awesome. So Thursday, April 25th, if you're interested, it's from 9 a.m. to 12, Spring Career Fair. Go check it out. Do you need to pre-register?
You can. You don't require to.
Okay.
So we encourage you to get that done before you come in there, so it'll make it easier.
And I want to mention that you just need a high school diploma for a lot of the jobs.
That's a good point.
We are going to provide in-house training for a lot of the positions if you have a high school diploma. So if you're watching and that's you, please come anyway.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for all you're doing.
Thank
If you want
you.
more information, go to our website, WPBF.com.